Welcome to day 25, Mexican hat dance. Look for patterns in music. If you look at the first three measures and compare them to another three measures in the music somewhere, they are identical. Practice smartly and surgically. If you've already practiced the same measures, the same three, you don't need to do them again. Also, look at the accented notes. There are 4 sets of accented notes. 3 are the same and 1 is different. I'm going to play the melody and then the harmony. I'll give 1, 2, 3, 1, and then 2 counts of rest, and then you come in. Let's get our note first. 1, 2, 3, 1. Harmony. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay, good job. Remember, when you're performing, just play through. You might have a glitch that happens, but that's the way it is, especially if you don't have a lot of time to practice. The other thing you can do is focus on just trying to get the first note of every measure if you can't keep up with the speed or anything else. Okay? If you had fun playing along with this video or it helped you, hit the thumbs up or the accent button, as the boys say, and have a great day.